Now, 9 youths from Nanyuki are making a living off pig farming at the Nanyuki dumpsite. The business startup has kept the youths off the street and life of crime. The venture that is empowering their lives has also doubled up as a cleanup exercise in order to conserve the environment. Let's take a look.
While the majority may see a garbage dumpsite as an off-putting scenery, to the youths in Nanyuki, it is an absolute piece of gold. The hustle and bustle to stay off the streets prompted the homeless group of youths to venture into pig farming at the dumpsite. The 9 youths who previously belonged to the street families started a pig farming project at the Nanyuki dumpsite in 2021 and have so far sold a total of 25 pigs to the local butchers within town. They note that running their business venture is not as expensive as they have the pig feed readily available from the waste dumped, hence making it an affordable business to run.
Na hizi nguruwe hapa hivi tunatolea nanga tunazinunua, na tuliona kuliko chakula inakujaga hapa ni mingi, tukanunua nguruwe, ndio hizi nguruwe tuweze kuzilelea hapa. Bado tunatafuta order bado huko nje,
na serikali tungeiomba ituongezee mradi ndio tukaweze kuchangamka kama mavijana.
However, the youths are lamenting being associated with crime around the dumpsite following upsurge of muggings and late night attacks.
Sisi tunaomba kuna kitu tunaiba na tuuzai kitu ya mtu. Kama tumefika kulicha manguruwe kama hizi, hakuna mtu anaweza kaguza kitu ya mtu hapa.
Hatuwezi ajiriwa sote. So tunafaa tuna kritiki. Tutaweza tuko na idea nyingine very. So kitungiajima youth to innovative. Let's be innovative.
They are now calling on to the county government of Laikipia to empower them in order to expand their business venture. For Lunchtime News, I am Teresa Mutai.